How to log in Axis Bank credit card accounts. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Axis Bank account online. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. At the top search bar, type in Axis Bank account login. Once you do so, you will see internet banking getting started at the first search result. Tap open that link. Now to log into your credit card account, you simply need to log into your account. To do that, simply tap on login at the middle section. If you don't see it here, tap on the human icon. Then choose if it's personal or corporate. For today's video, I'm going to choose personal. And once you're at this page, simply enter your login ID or your customer ID. Once you do so, enter your password at the box below. Solve the CAPTCHA and tap on to login at the bottom section. In case you would like to log in through your debit card number, select the right tab, enter your debit card number and your ATM PIN number, solve the CAPTCHA and tap on login. In case you do not have an account, you can go ahead and tap on register here and you can create yourself an account just like so. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.